Muthenya wa muthi ne twarekia oko tukiona one of the videos iria ciakoro cikiagagia adu online na njira imwe nene muno, just like CS Murkomen orders, tugicoka tukiona orders cia William Ruto adu marathwo maguru, and right now the MP of Belgut kou ni kuru ngai mwathani is it Belgut ama Belgut, something like that. Areto Nelson Koech ni akoreto MP ya mathia ma interview na ma debate TV ni a light skinned MP akiuga William Ruto should have given the orders to shoot and finish.
Kuna na mimi nataka niseme na nishukuru Rais William Samoei Ruto. Wakati jana umesema shoot but do not kill. I want to repeat it here. In fact, shoot and kill. You cannot have someone coming after your life and you do not want to shoot and kill. You cannot have someone who is going to terrorize you and your family and you are telling me you cannot shoot and kill. You cannot have someone who is coming after your businesses armed and with weapons and you want to tell me that you cannot use shoot and kill. The Constitution, the Police Act has given the police the powers to use their arms where they have evaluated the risk of their lives is in danger. And I want to say, these people have been terrorizing people. Anyone who wants to go to a protected area like State House is not an ordinary person. That is a criminal. That is an armed person that must be dealt with equal force. And the only force that applies to such people is to shoot and kill. If you think that the government is sending goons and assassins to attack people's property and investments, why do you have a problem when the government then goes after the people they have sent, as you claim? Watch, we will arrest everyone, and I can tell you they are terrorists, and they are going to be charged as either facilitating terrorism or they are terrorists themselves. Yule mama ambaye alichomewa biashara yake ya county supermarket alifanya makosa gani? Opuzi yenu mnatuambia sijui one term ya nani? Nani alikuambia sisi ndio tutakaa one term? Kibaki hakukaa one term, Uhuru hakukaa one term. Sisi umeona wakati imetufikia ndio sisi ni washenzi tukae one term. Tunapiga term mbili fululizo. Kama taifa la Kenya na kama jamii hatuwezi hata siku moja, na wasifikirie sisi ni waoga ati wanatupangia na sisi tumekaa hivi. Kama ni kupanga, wasifikirie hatuwezi kupanga. Ni vile tunapenda amani na wachunge hii amani sana. This country, blood has been shed enough times. And we will want to warn all those who want to orchestrate violence in our nation that we will not allow the temptation to join your chorus.
Na horo uyu ndirenda tukorwo tukiwaririria in a more deep way, tondu we have heard that from CS Kipchumba Murkomen, who is the CS of Interior, from the president ciothe cina the word shoot. Koguo haha nturahuthira gun na all this shiroka at a time when kwina narrative irakoro ikidrive ya ati mirurungano ino yothe irakoro igifuelwo kana igicocerwo ni Agikuyu a Mount Kenya because of Rigathi Gachagua being removed in the government, kana uragani uyu wothe urehetwo ni undu wa andu a Mount Kenya. Na after gukorwo ukirehwo narrative yo which is a false one, of course, ni narrative ya maheni, nturonire beũ njithi bururi mugima makirugama na Gikuyu na kuga we are all Kikuyus. Uhoro uria urakorirwo ugitura the political class na njira imwe nene muno muno andu aria me allied to William Ruto, because their main aim right now ni gutuma andu a Mount Kenya mamenwo ni bururi mugima. Right now Mount Kenya are kingmakers because of their numbers, but if all the other communities mahitania na Agikuyu, then the numbers of the Kikuyu people will not matter. And now that is the card iria makoretwo makigeria gukorwo magipool, but it failed terribly. Na thaici maundu maria mothe marakorwo makirehwo ma propaganda na maundu macio mothe maratuo nyeni ni beũ njithi kuria nenda-ini. And we then saw when William Ruto araugire shoot people in the legs, hours later turona video na bisha cihurite guku nenda-ini andu mena ma wheelchair na makiuga we will still remove you even if we have wheelchairs and we have bandages in our legs. Now, this is coming at a time when there is a lot of intimidation from both sides. This side is intimidating the political class is intimidating these people. Nohoro nurarehe machungu maigi muno na nikio turona people like Nelson Koech makeyumeria, people like Oscar Sudi makeyumeria, and all those people are allied to William Ruto. The main reason for all this is to calm the one-term chance. One term ni undu ukoretwo wi inegene riuru muno hari matoine ma William Ruto na andu aria othe marumagirira William Ruto. But how are they doing it? That is the big problem. Handling generation ino ya thaici, it requires a lot of intelligence, a lot of wisdom, na itaki kifua. How do you tell a generation iria ginya maraumira mirurungano megaite ati some things are very difficult to understand. Na hena video ya mundu umwe ndironaga akiuga ati for William Ruto to understand what the Gen Zs want, kila mu Gen Z umwe hau advisor wa State House atamwambia kila kitu nya Mbogi na dai, na Mbogi haitaki vitu mingi. Mbogi dereda maundu maigi. Mbogi nataka tu vitu kidogo zikuwe sorted, not even necessarily William Ruto stepping down. Demonstrations of 2024, people still wanted William Ruto to go. No William Ruto ria yumiriria agithi haria space ya X akiaria na andu, agithi haria agicenjia cabinet yake, tukona pale vya few changes, hakukuwa rough na venye anaongea, and people are cool, people are calm, watu walitulia. But right now, instead of kurehe kadio ya go calm down na co-act tafafa wa fururi, you're adding salt on the wound. Na taoguo ugatoma a MP aria me allied to you moke ma add more salt on top of the salt that is already in that bleeding wound. And you know, I can't wait to see what's lying ahead for the KK people. Maundu maria athaici twetereire in the near future nimo maigi na manene, because maundu mara happen very unpredictable, very unpredictable. About those shoot to kill orders, I think that is the last card that they can pull right now. The last one. Todo the moment oga ado marathona morago, how many people okuraga aigana before UN, United Nations, Africa's due whatever, all the matokite Kenya? For me, I feel that's the last card. Na a speech ya William Ruto area arari na marakara maigi muno yo aretete atumia, and we also in that speech, that was the farthest munene wa bururi agithie gukoro akiariria andu ake. What other fierce speech do you expect from William Ruto ya gutishira andu? He has done everything. He has done everything. Thaici atigetie o kuongerera kill hare yo shoot, not just in the legs, atigetie kuga uguo. Na do you see it getting to that point? Ntoronire Murkomen juzi akiuga ati borithi aria othe mekuratha andu watatetewa na serikali. Just today, what happened to Baraza? Baraza amebeba mzigo wake one man kore igotini akoro akikirirwo shira wa mada. And you know what? Ino ironania ati your actions as an individual, it doesn't matter kana we thirikari ni kana weko, utabeba msalaba wako mwenyewe. Those big people in government ona odhaishi ni moi wakitoka, kila mtu atabeba mzigo wake. Dronire former Chief Justice Maraga akiuga ati president onake ni afati ni gufati katiba echenjio uria president onake agirugamio bao-ini. There was a time Moi alisimamishwa kwa mbao regarding a certain property in Nyeri. Sijui kama alikuwa president ama alikuwa former president, but right now Maraga, former Chief Justice, areda president no arugamio bao-ini president na orio ciuria accountability questions, which is a very good thing and I really support it. Kugikinya hau maundu no makorwo mefiti, but until now no tugieterire tuone uria gukorwo gugithi na mbere in the KK government na these tough times. Dear maoni maku megie uhoro uyu, you can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.